My name is Gil. I've been selling high-end kitchens for the last 17 years. I started off as a part-time job while I was going through college, and it tended to be something that I love to do. I started selling just refrigerators and ended up moving into the high-end kitchen. I left a competitor to come to Universal because they actually have an elegant showroom. They have more to display, they buy in bulk, and they have availability of product. So here we have our True display. We're gonna have the 30-inch wine unit, 48-inch side-by-side refrigerator with glass doors, 36 bottom freezer glass door, and the all refrigerator, all freezer, and all available custom colors and handles. Deepest interior in the industry, full extension bins, LED lighting. True started making commercial refrigeration before they went into the residential. So they just had to change a couple of codes to get into the residential market, and they built a commercial unit for indoor use. If you're interested in a commercial feel for a residential home True refrigerator, come see it at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center. My name is Gil, and I'll be glad to help you out.